When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, one of the most effective updates you can make is replacing or upgrading your windows. Windows Washington offers a variety of window styles, materials, and finishes that can transform the exterior of your home, giving it a fresh, modern look. Whether you're looking to sell your property or simply want to enhance its visual appeal, upgrading your windows is a great investment. In this article, we'll explore how Windows Washington can increase your home's curb appeal, improve its energy efficiency, and raise its overall value. Let's take a closer look at the key benefits. Transform the exterior look of your home. One of the most immediate ways that Windows Washington can enhance your home's curb appeal is by giving the exterior a fresh, updated appearance. Over time, old windows can begin to show signs of wear, such as peeling paint, fading frames, and cracked glass, which can make your home look dated or poorly maintained. New styles for modern homes. By choosing contemporary window styles such as casement windows, sliding windows, or picture windows, you can give your home a more sleek, modern look. These windows have clean lines and large panes of glass that bring in more natural light, creating an airy, bright atmosphere inside and out. Variety of designs. Whether you're interested in a traditional colonial style with double-hung windows or modern minimalist look with floor-to-ceiling windows, Windows Washington offers a wide variety of window designs to suit your architectural style and aesthetic preferences. When you replace your old windows with new, stylish options, you not only update the exterior of your home but also increase its visual appeal, which can make it stand out in your neighborhood. Enhance your home's energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, which is particularly important in a climate like Washington's. Energy-efficient windows feature advanced insulation properties, such as double or triple pane glass and low-E coatings, which reduce heat transfer and minimize air leaks. Lower energy bills. When you upgrade to energy-efficient windows, your HVAC system will no longer need to work as hard to maintain your home's temperature. This can lead to substantial savings on your energy bills over time. Increase comfort. Energy-efficient windows also help to maintain a more consistent temperature throughout your home. No more cold drafts in the winter or stuffy rooms in the summer. Your home will stay comfortable year-round. Not only will energy-efficient windows save you money, but they'll also improve your home's comfort, all while enhancing its curb appeal. Improve the view and natural light windows. Washington offers a variety of window styles that can transform the way you experience your home's interior and exterior. The right windows can open up your living space to more light and better views, improving the overall ambiance. Larger windows for a bright interior. Picture windows or bay windows can let in more natural light and provide expansive views of the outdoors, which can make a room feel larger and more welcoming. If you have a beautiful garden or scenic views of the Washington skyline, larger windows can frame these vistas and connect your indoor and outdoor spaces more seamlessly. Maximize natural light. Modern windows often feature slimmer frames that allow for more glass, bringing more sunlight into your home. A bright and sunny interior doesn't just feel more inviting, it can also make your home feel more open and spacious, which is a great selling point for potential buyers. By installing windows that increase natural light and enhance your view, you create a more inviting and appealing atmosphere, both inside and out. Boost your home's value. One of the biggest advantages of upgrading your windows is the potential increase in your home's value. Windows Washington offers high-quality, aesthetically pleasing windows that can make your home more attractive to potential buyers. This can be especially beneficial if you are planning to sell your home or refinance. Appeal to potential buyers. New, modern windows give your home a refreshed look, and buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that require less immediate work. Energy-efficient windows, in particular, are a huge selling point because they promise long-term savings on utility bills and enhanced comfort. Return on investment, ROI. According to industry reports, window replacement is one of the top home improvement projects that provides a high return on investment. When you install new windows, you not only enhance your curb appeal but also increase the overall market value of your home. Upgrading your windows can be one of the most cost-effective ways to increase your home's value and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Better durability and low maintenance. Old windows can be prone to issues like peeling paint, rotting frames, and broken seals, which can lead to expensive repairs and maintenance. By installing new windows with durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass, you can reduce the time and effort spent on upkeep. Durable materials. Modern vinyl windows require minimal maintenance and are resistant to weathering, fading, and rotting. These materials are designed to last for decades, offering both aesthetic appeal and long-term durability. Low maintenance features. Many Windows Washington options come with self-cleaning glass and durable, fade-resistant finishes that won't require frequent repainting or sealing. By choosing durable, low-maintenance windows, you can save time and money on repairs, all while enhancing the beauty and function of your home. Conclusion. Upgrading your windows with Windows Washington offers numerous benefits, from increasing your home's curb appeal and energy efficiency to improving its value and comfort. Whether you're looking to create a more modern, inviting exterior, save on energy bills, or make your home more attractive to potential buyers, new windows are an investment that will pay off in both the short and long term. Take the time to explore your options, and you'll find the perfect window styles to elevate your home's aesthetic and functionality.